bulk food storage container ideal for storing flour and other baking staples. Easy locking clips and extended flexible seal help keep food fresher for longer. Sculpted hand grips and included measuring cup for easy, controlled pouring. Modular design stacks with other Sistema Bake IT containers to conserve pantry space. BPA and phthalate-free, dishwasher safe on the top rack. Microwave safe without lid. Fridge and freezer safe. Easily access and store flour, sugar, and other bulk baking staples with the Sistema Bake IT Collection flour storage container. Ideal for storing sugar and other bulk baking products, this food storage container comes with a measuring cup and features convenient contoured grips to facilitate easy, controlled pouring. The lid comes equipped with easy locking clips and a flexible, tight seal to help keep ingredients fresh until you need them. This BPA and phthalate-free food storage container is dishwasher safe when placed on the top rack, microwave safe without the lids, and safe for storing in fridges and freezers. And thanks to its modular stacking design and compact footprint, this plastic food container allows you to tidily organize your ingredients while conserving valuable pantry or countertop space. Top reviews from the United States. Love being able to grip the containers. I really like this brand of Tupperware. I especially love that it has a place to grip it on each one.